Yeah, start on mediums. Then if the rain is still not coming, go to softs. Go to chop. How come the CPU? Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine. It should be there.
Hey, are you doing 34, 22 laps fuel for the quali?
Just
Mr. So,
check. My CPU fan is running, right? Need to check
Why
once.
don't you use your external fan?
No, no, I don't want the game to freeze. But in that case, if it was not running, it could have frozen by now. Should have frozen by now.
Decrease your fuel.
Not now. Need to go out, practice some laps. Didn't practice anything. Will be coming in after 2 3 laps, I think. Yep, that should be fine. Hallelujah, boys.
praise the Lord.
Well, hella.
And you too, please be loud enough. I don't know why your voice has gone way below.
Our voices won't matter to you, so what's the issue?
It will matter to me.
No, you'll have radio silence for the rest of the race. Only Neon will get the updates.
Oh, one.
No.
No. He just came out.
Nah, game is freezing all of a sudden. I think I need to check the tower.
Neon did 111.7. Okay.
Yep. Game is freezing a lot.
Okay, if you don't want, then stop the streaming in
Yeah, yeah.
Discord.
Stop the streaming.
No, no. Stream should be fine. I'll just check. Come in this lap only to check.
No, the stream causes lag.
Should be fine. I'll...
Mm, do you have fuel? No, so how would you complete the lap? Both the alphas fighting each other.
Right, come in at the end of this lap.
So last race which I was streaming on Discord and I recorded, there in the recording there were some frame skips.
Huh.
Yeah, I saw it on YouTube.
Fine.
It was skipping frames. I don't know why.
Check my PC. Cooling system might be causing problems. The air coming out the back is quite hot.
Which one they see then?
Man, thumb screws are tight F.
If you have AC in your room, switch it on.
Don't have.
Then switch on an external fan near the CPU.
Oh, CPU
Te-
running fine only.
GPU
Yep, GPU also fine.
temperature.
Temps are looking good. Temps are usually around 80s.
80s is high, man.
Yeah, 80s is high, but
No,
it is
no, but 80s is okay.
It should be around 60, 65.
not that
No,
high.
that, no,
GPU
no, no,
temps are
not, no.
usually around 55 60, but CPU temps are usually like that. I'll keep the E open for now. Yep.
Is anything else running? I hope you're not running multiple games.
No.
Who
No.
was doing that day this thing? Multiple
11.7.
games?
কে চায়?
Electric.
Oh yeah.
মনে হচ্ছে একটু ল্যাগ হলো তাই জন্য আমি খুলে দিলাম।
Who are you talking to?
My mom.
You are explaining her your PC was lagging.
Yep.
Wow. Yes, please.
We're 19th in the speed trap.
Track seems to be okay
329.2
by the looks of how I went out.
Neon, you are open to strategies. You can do anything because you will get a wing damage in first 2-3 laps.
Or is it because that I am recording with my voice on?
Mm, shouldn't be. But why are you doing that? You
I
love
don't
your
know.
voice?
Just wanted to do it this time.
Okay. With our
So I'll
voice as well?
keep the voice for now. Will that help a bit? No, still at 95. Offloading GPU is at 100. Should be fine.
GPU is at 100 what? Percentage?
Yep.
Phew. What is your
Both rear, middle.
so Ham? What is your this thing? Graphic settings.
Optimum as per the 1060.
3.3.
3.3 at the minimum. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
All set.
5 FPS is good enough.
Car to track.
But 100% GPU usage is not good.
No, that is okay.
Why?
It is okay.
It
But
can
wouldn't
create
it
lags.
be using 100% usage to run an F1 2020?
Yeah, that's what F1 doesn't need so much of graphics. That's why I'm
Yeah,
asking with what is your graphic settings?
Monk,
Yeah,
should I restart the game once?
you won't be able to complete the lap then.
Doesn't
Quali
matter.
lap. Restarting can cause any lobby glitch.
Not sure what to do. What to do? Need to do whatever I need to do it. I need to do it right now.
Just go out once and check if it is lagging any more or not.
Yeah, that should be the best possible answer to this.
We have 2 laps of fuel remaining.
And stop the Discord as well. Stream.
Discord stream you want?
Yeah, stop it.
No, it's fine now.
Fine.
I had a glitch coming out of the pits right that time. Seems to be working fine now.
Okay, go then. Why are you out on softs?
I don't think I will
So,
be doing a good enough time to be top 10.
okay. Go
No
then.
worries, no worries. Top 10 is not an issue.
Do it, do it.
It's finishing the race that is an issue.
Who are the top 10? KG, Dojin. KG is back again. On top. Kubar, Berlin. Who is Pinan? Okay. Where is that guy? Rooker. Rooker is in 14th.
Hey, move on, man. I have cars coming in behind. Can't keep that much gap.
Neon, you finished your lap. Then some distance.
Ripri,
Go for rich mix Neon. Your fuel will end. आ गया तेरा fuel.
Where did I go? 18.
You're just 18. Okay,
Tell me.
no matter what.
I'm going for a second lap.
You have fuel. Okay, you have fuel.
I have a lot of fuel. Man.
Where did Rooker go? 10th. Yeah, so it's dead.
Self-voicing disabled.
Who's...
That was mine.
Okay. What is that?
Keyboard switch. I pressed something and it was like voice enabled.
This voice activated system is of what?
Windows shortcut. I think that is some Windows
Shortcut.
shortcut.
Okay. क्या? नियन? So हम 18 पे है. Wing गवाया वो.
How much was I up on the second lap? I saw
Didn't
it
check.
green, but I don't know how much was I up.
I didn't check.
Anyways, it doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah, start on mediums, both of you.
We started off as expected, so it's good. There is no could have or would have been. It is what it is.
You are supposed to do single lap. You are doing 2 laps, so.
KG did a 189.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. Hey, what
Well,
times did they do yesterday, Doc? 1/7s?
No, 110. Yeah, 17. No, only 2 people did 17.
Okay.
Where is
Mid-10 Irish.
Okay.
TP10 is not that well off, but the good thing is he will be starting on softs.
Who?
I don't know if that is good or bad.
Rocker.
Yep,
Yeah, don't have to think so much. Just see your race.
yep, fine, man. We'll see how it pans out.
Start on mediums.
Yep.
We'll try to stretch it till the rain comes if it's possible.
Lap of extra fuel.
Huh?
Won't be using rich that much.
Yeah. That will save your tires as well.
At the end, we'll be using wet, so it will be
Yeah,
lean.
let's see if we can stretch it till the rain comes.
Let's see.
Hey, today's race is at 7, right, Doc?
Yeah, 7. So 640, 645.
I have to take a nap in between. Yeah. डिलीट कर पीछे का जो है उसको सॉफ्ट में डाल नहीं मीडियम को सॉफ्ट में डाल ना वो तो गया हो गया ना पहले का मीडियम अरे
Medium inters or medium wets will be probably the way to go.
हो गया
Yeah,
ना
medium index, yes.
now
Last
delete
one,
the
yeah.
first one
No, select medium hards.
yeah you have to
Or
select
like
2 tires
okay, medium. No,
that's
medium
fine, that's
soft.
fine,
No,
that's fine हाँ
It
कर
did
लेना
not change the ride, right? Or I think it will be fine.
38
go 39. Good.
it will rain so you can save fuel
We are. How come I'm P16? कैसे?
maybe people had some penalties
Okay, don't hit each other. Okay.
Okay, our system checks are good. We need to stay in formation and start bringing the car up to temperature, please. Get some load into the tyres and work the brakes. We want them nice and warm by the end of the lap.
Who is already off?
Who's already off?
Hey, yeah. Dotty man.
Dodeman's one. Hey, people will spin left and right, so don't
Very,
push
very
that much.
difficult for sequence of corner in the first lap. So Neon, watch out for this sector. People will be spinning, and you might get punted from behind as well.
Don't be on the in the middle of the track. Stick to the curbs. That will save you. If you're on the outside, stick to the outside curb, inside and inside. But all the equations will go into drain if someone late.
If rain is coming in 15 minutes, then we are in a good position.
What is Jeff saying?
15 minutes ETA is saying.
Okay. Hey, did we see that weather graphics in the
Expecting rain in around 10 to 15 minutes. Dries.
Tire
Best
selection
time
menu?
for now.
Yeah. It is last two.
It was showing
Okay,
same
okay.
thing only.
So pit for the mediums by lap 11 or 12. Don't extend, okay?
mediums or softs?
No. Mediums.
Again mediums.
You can go mediums and inders.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good.
I think mediums to softs would be better.
I know that problem is like
Man.
by that time tires might.
No, it would be overcast, right? So tire can last.
Yeah,
Okay.
good.
Okay.
GG's boys.
Okay, GG. Radio silence.
Neon, if that was not a jump start, that was an excellent start.
Ooh.
People are not losing wings.
Okay, don't reset.
Ready? आराम से नहीं वो लोग सब स्पिन मारेगा तू टेंशन मत ले.
Kubarabi is here.
Yeah, 16th.
Yeah, so. No worry. It is actually easy for you.
Yeah.
Keep it cool, everything. Yeah.
भाई नियन आराम से. पीछे का टायर हीटेड अप होगा. धीरे
Still
चला.
cool down. Still cool down slowly. Don't take the curbs. Yep.
Not an ideal lap one, but let's make the best of it.
Yeah. Now. Yeah. Normal. Okay. Don't forget to report.
Oh,
That was glitching Abhay Chandra.
yeah. Oh,
No. चल.
Yellow flag.
It was his mistake, not your mistake.
lost 2 positions.
That's fine. You didn't lose a wing, that's more important.
Yep.
What?
Canyon. Got
That's
15
fine.
seconds.
Hey, no worries, man.
Ah, it's okay. They'll take each other out, don't worry. That
that
Abhay
is because
Chandra
of-
is glitching and he spun as well. He might
Let's use
be
up
having a
some
wing
of
damage as
this
well.
energy.
Who?
Abhay Chandra.
Abhay has a red wing, I think. He has
Yeah.
not a lot of,
So Neon easy picking for you. He will pit, I think.
but not on the straight.
No, he'll
Won't be-
pit.
People are fighting ahead.
Yeah, he pitted. So
Ah, man.
some check your warnings. You're getting warnings left and right.
We can now use DRS. DRS now available.
One more spun. Dodi
Yep, he retired. Nice.
retired. Nice.
Who?
Dodi man.
Okay. Ah, shit.
Yeah, it was very
Rain
strange
is
that it
forecasted
didn't
just
give a.
over 10 minutes time. Rain
Okay,
in 10 minutes.
Berlin is ghosted.
Green
So yeah.
flag.
I think this Dodi man did a alt F4 thing.
Caution. Caution.
At F4. For what?
Yeah, once he crashed.
Ah, okay, okay. Oh, Dodiman is now cross.
Yeah, that's what. So
Ah, ah.
विंग गया बट उसको वैसे ही चलाने येलो उसको ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है.
Fine, man. How did I go like that from that position is I don't know why.
Okay, don't worry about that drive.
So Jeff said rain in 10 minutes. Don't know how long is 10 minutes.
600 seconds.
Oh, Master Tanish is here.
Hey!
Hey.
People are making hell lot of mistakes. I don't know what these guys are doing.
Yeah, you as well.
Yeah, only made one mistake, bro.
Yeah. That was more than sufficient.
Are in front
Like
is
me.
9
Okay, drive.
9 seconds.
It's not gonna be good. Oh, he just
Second.
remembered to open his DRS.
Oh, man.
Okay. Avoid penalties. Avoid penalties here.
Congratulations. Okay, that is from the expert.
Yeah, expect
penalty.
penalties.
I got 12 yesterday.
Take that line. Had no other line to take.
We have excess fuel weighing us down. Set the fuel mix to mode 3. Let's push.
Car doesn't feel like it is having a wing damage for now, at least.
No, that might be some end plate thing. So don't worry.
This track you don't need so much of wind actually.
Yep. As you will talk how I drove without both end plates yesterday.
Both.
Yes. I mean, I crashed on the right side. It damaged the left side. Wait, I don't know how.
Vibrations. I got he pitted.
You can use ERS to push as well because the generation is like high.
And it's going to rain at the end.
Yep.
Okay, these two fuckers are fighting. Oh. Almost.
Oh, Iraq.
Yeah. Neon, your target is Bioride.
Not good, not good.
Go.
Ah,
It's okay.
okay, so
7.
The gap to the car ahead is 7.6 seconds. Full course caution. The safety
Ooh,
car
safety
out.
car.
Keep
Nice,
an eye on
nice.
Delta. We need to keep it positive
Soham,
to avoid
if you want pit, you can pit for the
maintain
mediums.
What's
positive
your
Delta.
tire wear first? One more.
When is the raid? Any idea?
Should
Uh,
I pit or not?
45th minute it said.
You can pit, so it will you can take around.
No, don't pit, don't pit.
Okay, don't pit.
Because if you want to pit, then you can pit. You need to change your wing as well if you
Yeah,
want.
actually you can pit. Hey, check the strategy which they are showing.
Dropping
Soham.
speed, our Delta is too low and we
Wait,
risk a
wait, wait,
penalty.
wait, wait,
Slow
wait,
your
wait.
pace immediately.
Because everyone would be pitting in
Can
front.
we do soft medium now instead of medium soft?
No.
Even
And it's rain, man. So it will be
Depends
tight.
on how much, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Box or not box? Quick.
Box for
Box, box,
mediums.
box.
Box for mediums. Box for.
what,
What
what,
the hell did
What,
this?
what
man?
was that? What? Oh, somebody pushed you. Okay. Joker pushed you.
Mediums or mediums?
Hey,
We're going
Neon,
for
stay out, stay out, stay
Mediums,
out.
mediums, 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 mediums.
Neon, stay out.
Ah man.
Who pushed you, man? I didn't see anyone.
Joker pushed him.
Okay.
Got a penalty for severe collision as well.
So basically it will get removed, I guess.
The
But
pit
it's
lane,
under safety car.
everything
No,
gets the jump
What?
on me. Brilliant.
Tom, how many seconds you have? 10?
13.
13.
Yep. 5 for collision, 5 for speeding, and
But you served 5 seconds right now.
Now 5 for collision, 5 for speeding in pit lane.
Yeah.
yeah, but that other than that I had only 3, so it should be 8 as per Monk's calculation and my calculation as well.
Yeah, but he served 5 in the pit, so
No,
it
you
should be
need to-
less.
You need to
Yeah,
check the race director.
How come it is 13? I had the least penalties of all people. Now I have
It seems. Neon, आराम से ना.
that yaar. Should not have pitted.
no, chill,
No, no.
chill. Still the race is yours, you can go on top,
The
don't
main
worry.
race is in the rain. This is
Yeah,
just
yeah.
a trailer.
Even with the wing damage, it was
Probably now at least you are close to the leaders.
Yeah.
Probably there may be carnage, seen drivers will try to overtake, so yeah, it's your chance.
So changing the wing under safety car is a better thing to do than doing it under normal conditions.
Yep, you can extend your medium stand and
Yeah.
5 minutes to rain.
To the field a bit. We're dropping
5
too far
minutes.
back.
Yep.
Remember that we
Should
need to
not
stay
have
within
pitted as
10
well.
car
Anyway,
lengths of the
fine.
next car.
Let us leave that.
Yes.
Yeah.
yep, you
Go to your tire. Where
Neon
window?
pitted or not?
He didn't pit. I didn't ask him to pit.
Neon is where?
Is P6. Ah, it's fine.
can someone go on weather report?
Neon, please do that.
Looks like rain is inbound, and we're
Neon
expecting
following
it
back.
in around
Aram
5
se.
minutes. 5 minutes till the rain dries.
5 minutes, it's not perfect, so basically it will start, I guess, a bit early than 5 minutes.
Okay, let's get ready to go racing again. The safety
Safety car
car
is
is
left.
It's on.
The field accelerates. Remember, there is no overtaking until the green flags. Safety car in this lap.
Can be a hell lot of carnage in the Wall of Champions this time. I think so. Just gut feeling.
Good for you if you avoid that.
Don't be one of them.
We're expecting some rain
Push,
soon.
push, push, push. Neon, go.
Wait,
Stops in the
I'm
next few
breaking.
No,
minutes.
no.
Okay, clear.
Nice.
Oh,
shit.
shit. Okay, driver will not cause much of a difference.
I
I
think
just
train is
yeah.
coming very soon.
Yeah, so Neon,
That,
don't quit now.
yeah,
Carry it
that's
on.
good.
Just take it easy at times.
We've got a lot of spare energy. Use your overtake button, check your MFD for a new strategy option.
Gone,
One
gone,
big
some
place.
gone. Rooker, it was Rooker.
Brilliant. Fire right. Give me space. No.
No, he
Okay.
won't.
Actually, that you can report. Moving left and right in the front.
Ooh.
Neon check for damage.
Neon is
Okay.
having damage.
Yep, okay, good. I mean, not good, but okay.
Don't.
Nice. Okay, good move. Neon.
Someone died behind. Oh, good pass.
Front is 1.5 seconds.
Just about enough space. Someone is off. Yep.
Whoa, what was that?
Overtake the Ferrari.
Yeah, it is ghosted. It is ghosted. Yeah.
You guys on the keyboard, man, like me, don't.
Both of them are keyboard, right?
Oh,
What?
It's not
What?
New strategy
just check
No,
for
no, no.
damage.
on the MFD.
No worries, no
No,
worries.
he has no damage.
Nice.
It was glitched game, totally.
Dude, this
It
game.
was half ghosted.
Manish Kanchan with that car is still following me. I don't know how.
It's like Death Hunter in Silverstone or China.
Oh.
Copy.
वो तेरे को सिलेक्ट करने का होता है.
Okay, the stewards have now enabled
DRS enabled.
DRS is
Okay.
now online.
The rain is not yet here. But
Neon
it's getting
holding up
cloudy.
a lot of that, including me. But Neon,
It's-
what you are doing, continue doing that.
I think it's lights out for Neon.
Yeah.
I
Hey.
believe so.
We can see network cable unblock. Arre. Same thing happened with whom? Masum.
Maso.
Yeah, Masu.
Now, what to do with this thing in front? Oof.
Whoa, what is going on?
I am just letting my go.
They're trying to make baby Mercedes.
Why are you cutting the corners, man?
I can't see a thing in front.
Oh, disaster.
Neon has pitted. Neon has pitted for softs. I hope those are
AI.
new softs.
Computer G.
Time I'm trying to go ahead and something is
Okay.
happening to me.
What you saw came in the stream as well. So
Are you not able to take control?
no, after the pitch.
Oh,
After
what
the
did I
pitch.
cut that?
No. After the pitch. Yeah, take control. Take control
Okay.
now. The
It
best
started
place.
to rain. Ah, shit. You just put it.
It should have, yes. So it has given you fresh softs. Nice. Good.
We're running an excess of fuel.
Just
We can turn
use
the
full
engines
power,
into
full ER to catch them because you have to pit for it does.
It has started raining.
Started raining shit. Okay, at least Neon, you will have one lap of advantage to cover so much distance with this new source.
Yeah. I think Neon can go one extra lap because softs would have better traction.
Yes.
Okay,
So
Okay, gap
would
ahead
be
is
yep.
18.1 seconds.
Tit.
The was also disconnected.
This game is disconnected.
Neon, go for the fastest lap.
Yes.
Don't be ballsy right now. This is not the condition for being ballsy. Oh my god, he's going outside. And he
What
just
are you doing, man?
I think we're still on the right tyres for the time being.
he's still
Getting
side by side. Yep.
warnings everywhere.
No penalties. You are only
Yeah.
how much seconds? Only 14 seconds away from disqualification. So yeah.
Let's see if you can break Doc's.
No, you cannot break mine. I
That
have
was
two
Casey, that was
disqualifications.
Casey, that was Casey. Casey was with penalties. Where is Casey, man? He's been missing since quite long time.
I think he's busy with some. I think it was his new job or work. Not sure.
He went to Rajasthan, I think. That's why he's missing from action.
No idea. You like reminded me. So I'll message him today. Let's see.
No, I
That
don't
is from
get DRS,
no.
but I don't
You got DRS from Charitra.
Why is Eric slowing down so much?
Oh man.
Oh man.
Yep, still DRS is on.
So how many people left in the race? Okay, 19 people are there still. Half of them are disconnected.
Oh, Eric Griffin and RIP is RIP. Both are on Indus.
Already?
Like this.
They're already on Intas?
Yeah.
Three
So
of
that is RIP for them.
Charitra as well.
Don't pit until the DRS gets disabled.
Yep, that is the plan.
Up.
Okay, Neon, select the Indus when you are in the next state, okay? Yeah, here.
We're sat in P12. Our code to the car in front is
Okay,
21
okay,
No
let
worries,
me-
no worries.
seconds.
Don't take so much pressure.
Speed to the car behind
Okay,
is
Neon, not Neon, sorry.
seconds.
Soham as well, maybe this dear state you can do that.
The leader is 47.3 seconds. The pit window
Wait,
Select
man,
the-
I'm fighting with for grip right
Well,
now.
let him get the corners right first.
Okay, no, I told in the states.
Who
Okay,
is it?
Neon, maybe in the next
Right.
this straight if you can. Yeah,
The car behind is dropping back. We're seeing a gap form.
yeah, good.
Neon, one more thing. You still have a great chance because you don't have any pens. So just try to avoid them.
Don't get any pens.
Yep.
Done.
Nice. Whoa.
He doesn't have a end plate that I
Yeah,
can see.
we
for
can
now.
see.
Will he leave enough space? I
Speed
don't
is
think so.
gonna keep
Yep.
getting heavier for the next 15 minutes at least.
Oh, front two guys are also fighting the BWT and McLaren. Yeah.
Okay, in 5 minutes, heavy rain.
The tyre situation is an interesting one, but I think the right...
Okay, Charitra also went for the Indus. Wrong call. And Akash spun at P3.
What a dive bomb from Soham. Oh no!
What?
Oh man.
Caution.
What?
No, don't. They will get
Be
disqualified.
aware, there's an incident in the next part of the track. No overtaking through the yellow flags.
Okay.
What just happened there? I mean,
Someone punted
Hey,
him from behind.
and actually did the switch back. This case is not going as per my liking. Neon, if I'm
Okay.
holding you, I'll
Okay.
let
So
you
that
buy.
was actually the doing of Joker. Joker hitted Abhay Chandra. Abhay Chandra hitted you. So that was complete domino. It was in the stream, so no worries.
I actually
No worries. No
made
worries.
a mess of phone breaking as well, but ठीक है,
Yeah.
still managed to do it in a proper way. Did not hit anyone. Neon, if you feel like I'm holding you up, tell me.
Okay. Joker might get enough penalties and even disqualification for his driving.
Up. Neon is struggling more than I am.
We still have half the race to complete.
Joker is hitting people left and right, man. Oh man.
Belgium
Like
all
that
over
race,
again.
Belgium.
just
Oh, he took out Vinay.
Oh no. Vinay will say, so that's how it feels like.
but I think we never the perfect time to pit. Not perfect, but close one.
So rain is getting heavy or same?
Not for me, I
No,
think.
no, no.
Okay,
I
clear.
think DRS is still not off, right?
Nope, it's still enabled,
Safety car.
I guess.
Safety car, safety car.
What a perfect wit!
Make sure you
Why did Vinay go
Yes,
for hard?
pit for Acres.
Just check tires. What Jeff is saying. Just check tires.
slow down.
Tire
Delta
update,
is
something like this. There
negative,
must
which
be
means
there.
you are too fast. Reduce your pace.
Okay, I think is it okay to go for the index now?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Tire temps look optimum right now in race
But
condition.
it will be out for 3 laps at least, right?
So
Guys,
we can
can someone check the tires? Yeah, what Jeff is saying.
Deteriorating for 10
drop.
minutes. Tries seem
Delta.
It's what I'm looking after only.
I think you can go for the index.
We have
I
to
think.
go alternate.
Soham,
guys.
Delta, both of you, Delta.
Okay.
Why my delta?
Joker has left the session.
Neon, you want to go on inters or you want me to go on inters?
Okay, maybe so.
Soham go for Inters, Neon will
Yeah.
go later.
Neon will go for the index next lap. Yeah. Or do you need double stack? We
No.
can do double stack.
Not
Okay.
now.
I'll be
Hey,
serving
check
one
the
of
check the tires. Check the tires. So
the tires are inters only.
You know what? Just don't pit until the DRS gets disabled. It's no use
Yeah,
right
that
now.
is as well in under safety car. Won't be disabling or enabling.
Okay, you will be ahead
I mean,
of the
because
hopefully.
you have to get these conditions perfect.
Fire right got the jump on me.
But the rain is getting heavier now, I can see on Soham's stream.
Only way to tell is this window.
Yeah.
Okay, Neon, you are going into the pits. Okay, for the index.
But everyone has pitted for Inters, so it's fine.
Okay, we can
Just tell me. Soham, you have to give your updates. Okay, how are they feeling?
Soham Delta. Don't cut the corners. You will get penalty still.
Seems fine.
Okay, I think then we can go.
Grip seems like a very similar to how it was on the slicks. I think this is the crossover point.
Yeah. Neon, go push as fast as you can and go to the pits.
Useful ERS, don't worry.
Full ERS, go to the pitch. Go into the pitch and brake hard.
Yep, tires are not overheating, so I think this should be time.
Yeah. Brake. Good.
Good.
Inter selected right.
Hopefully you should be ahead of Soham.
5 seconds, how come I still have 16 seconds?
Yeah, your that tally is a glitched one, it seems. But you
Okay,
got many penalties.
Okay, drive.
The white line on the exit.
Try to stay ahead. Try to stay ahead of that guy.
Neon, push.
No.
No, Neon!
Ah, sh-
That's okay, okay. It's fine.
He's
Don't
on
worry. He has a drive through as
okay,
well.
go.
Return the position.
Give him the
no.
We will be penalised.
give him the position.
Overtaking during
Where
the
is
safety
that
car
truck?
period.
Okay, then go. We can remove that later.
Yeah, that's fine. He has a drive through as well.
Ooh, Manish Kanchan.
हाँ ठीक है
This man, I don't know. The same thing happened. Like the lobby was bugged yesterday as well, and today. Some issue with the Canada.
I believe this safety car is going on for another at least 2 or 3 laps.
Okay, so
With the
people. Okay, so now
How
Neon is
far
37 seconds behind. Behind P7.
P7 pitted, so he'd be closer. And
No.
P6 is on soft, so he has to pit.
Okay, Neon, you can push as fast as you can.
Try to close the
Yeah,
gap
yeah.
as much as you can.
Yeah, just check the tire wear. That's all.
46.
Oh, no, tire temps.
Doc, in the practice race, we did how many laps on the
We almost did half
after
race.
race? It's almost the same than today. So it would be very difficult for Soham at the end.
Can you
The
close the
penalty.
gap? Okay, just
Only 30
get it less than
to go.
10 seconds. To the guy in front, Neon.
Neon, I think you can race like normal.
Yes.
But check the tires and
Safety
don't
car is in
spin.
this lap.
Don't
Safety
overdo.
car in this
In
lap.
this lap, even before everybody.
Tyres up to temperature.
Okay,
Remember,
go.
there is no
Neon, push up.
overtaking until the timing
Yes,
line.
you can
Stay in
push.
position
The
until
only
finish
thing
race.
is you'll gain a bit more because I have to slow down. No.
Not now,
That's
not
you.
now. Okay, yeah, you can do full traction. Okay.
Full
Yeah, well, again, this Manish Kanchan guy behind me.
Your favorite guy.
You're driving right, why go full traction? You were driving like perfect, so why you are going full traction?
Rain.
Nah, dude.
Okay, no worries. Go.
No,
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 just
drive,
continue,
drive.
continue now, continue.
DRS.
This race, yeah, race.
Race has resumed. Yeah, race has resumed. Just go. And there are crashes, it seems.
Hey,
Yeah,
Iraq
Iraq is dead.
Where?
He didn't spit.
Finish, start, finish straight.
In the pit entry.
You are close to the leaders, just avoid pens. That's it. If you are not driving fast, don't worry, just avoid pens.
Yeah, that's for Neon.
Why is Cube Rabi on mediums?
He's struggling a lot.
Yeah, he will.
Okay, don't worry about other wings. Okay, Rip 3 is ghosted, so go through him. Yeah. Okay, you can catch Agash, Neon.
Yeah, you can catch him. He has to pit as well.
He'll be floating like a boat, so just be cautious when you're overtaking him.
Yeah,
Yeah. No, if you can get a chance, overtake. Don't go to the gas. Okay,
that's
see?
just now.
Who is this guy? Ripe.
Ripe is
Ripe is-
disconnected, don't worry.
Okay.
Just stop using F, stop, don't use ERS.
जान दे उसको जान दे बस easy.
Good. Okay, KG is in pits. Okay, you will pass KG. Yeah, good. Nice.
Amazing.
The gap to the car ahead is 14.2 seconds.
Okay. Neon, the only thing to do is like not get penalties. That's all.
Yup.
Passing will be very difficult. So just defend.
Yeah,
GG boys.
No, you can just don't try to push like perfectly like a quali lap.
Don't try that much. You will spin.
So हम tire wear.
Okay, you need to break early by your ride. Okay.
So
Okay.
hum is at 36 already.
He'll be able to. You might need to pit for the wets.
Yes, it will be difficult at the end for him.
KG is catching up like any.
Don't worry about KGT. Passing is very difficult, man.
He's anyway not having penalties, so doesn't matter.
Don't worry. Don't let him pass. Why you want to let him pass?
Just the way you want to let everyone pass, even if they are
No,
slower than you.
I am not. I am not the one. That guy is other guy who is in the VC.
Is it like that in tier 2 races?
Yeah. Dog didn't even allow Tanish to go ahead yesterday.
I almost stopped my car. No, don't worry about losing time. You just go.
Yeah, just try, just try.
Just stay alive.
Yeah.
Can't see a thing.
Now the rain has increased, it seems.
Yep, a lot.
It's supposed
Okay.
to be thunderstormy kind of weather at the end.
Yeah. So, Soham, when you're
Then-
free, just make that temperature panel.
Then I think wets would be needed.
Soham, can you show the temperature panel?
Green flag.
My God,
Okay, that is because of.
that
I
engine
think-
is overrated like anything.
So you can also go down on engine on corners because you're overheating, so maybe losing a few more kilometers
I
on the
was
straight.
keen.
Okay, neon, be on the temperature panel. Okay, yeah, good. I think once it goes down below 60, we can go for the wedge.
Safety car.
I really think you can.
Safety car, safety car.
Go for the wedge, go for the wedge.
Yeah, select the wets, everyone.
I don't think that is a good decision now.
Return the position.
Neon, don't. Why are you
overtaking?
taking?
Turn the position.
So
Alright.
what? No,
don't worry.
Under yellow flag, you cannot overtake anyone. Be it a back marker or whatsoever.
Okay, go for the wedge if you want. Yeah.
Both.
Tell.
Don't think
Select.
it is wet.
ओई क्या कर रहा है भाई? He is on
Okay.
AI.
Okay, tell them you are pitting and set the wet tires. Set the
I
wet
think
tires.
we can try one lap at a time.
At least 20 minutes of
Okay, Neon pit this lap, so I'm next lap.
Soham, you can pit this lap, man. You will gain time on the others. Even if you stack.
What to do?
Pick-
Aborting.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, we were double stacking, so better to
Yeah,
abort this lap.
yeah.
Okay, then push.
Wait,
You know,
is there a delta?
you guys can do one more thing. So how much is your tire? Okay, wait. How much is your tire here?
exit now.
Wait, let me see.
Soham's tire wear will be around 40.
More than 40.
Pit strategy complete.
49.
Our rears are dying, that's the issue.
Okay. If possible, you can push. I don't know if it is possible.
I'll see how Berlin is facing. I think Berlin is fine.
Berlin is fine, but you are not having Berlin tires.
It's up to you if you want to pit. At one gamble you can play this. If your rears are dying too much, then you can go full traction and just try to continue on this. If you want to play the gamble, otherwise you can go for it.
I think go for wets. It's quite wet now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
strongly
yeah,
suggest go for the wedge. Yep.
Okay, slow down.
Because Neon is running a very low graphic settings. Even his track condition is covered.
Acha, that's why.
Yeah.
Neon, if possible, push. Only slow down when there is a delta. And brake early before the red marker also. Okay. Okay. Delta. Neon Delta. Okay.
Going in.
Okay,
Mhm.
okay.
Ah, shit.
Soham.
Oh, Bioride pitted again. What the hell?
Wait, didn't you serve your 5 seconds before?
His time is not decreasing. See, it's
No,
always
no.
always
See?
16.
16 only.
You need to report a lot of
So
issues.
basically you serve 5 seconds twice.
Already 15 seconds we
Twice,
have saved, I think.
twice.
Shit. Dude,
And
this
two of them
game.
were under safety car, or all three were under safety car.
Lose, right? Very nice, although the drive through here won't make them lose much time.
So all of them were under
Easy, Neon. Easy.
Neon, slow.
Rocker retired.
Locker retired. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Neon, take it slow. Neon, take it very slow. It is safety car raining. You will not get break.
Yeah, they will. It's
Yeah,
very
they will
bad.
pit. They will pit. Yeah, it is raining heavily. See, even your
I think
stupid
Neon
graphics is
would be
showing heavy rain.
Neon would be at the Neon would be in first position or what? If
Man, they're just
all of them pit.
Okay, don't worry about positions. Let them pit. Let us complete the race. Don't jump into conclusions.
you served 5 seconds thrice right.
Yes,
Yeah,
man. It
he's
is not
fine,
And by
coming back.
the 5 second was also when you got punted from behind.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So
many things.
basically it's 15 seconds removal.
Go, Neon. Neon.
Who's the boost? They might pit as well.
Yeah, they might pit. Okay, see. Neon, you need to brake early. It is heavy rain.
It's okay. He's on full
Okay,
track.
so how Neon is in front of you. Don't hit him.
I can see that.
We
Yeah,
cannot see that.
the spray is not that worse.
Neon, you need to go.
Wait. Alphabot won't be
It's
yeah,
okay,
ghosted
Neon.
now.
Don't.
Neon,
Under
don't
safety.
worry.
You
Just
have
don't
the
hit.
race in your lap.
Yeah, just don't hit any of the people.
Don't
Yeah,
play with.
if you want to just create a gap like gap so that you just if they break suddenly you don't smash into
Okay,
them.
Mr. Soham, Erok and Manish Kanjan, did you see the drive-thrus again?
Yes.
The guys behind you are having drive-through, so don't worry about the gap. Drive
So
slow.
easy points for the alphas. Don't screw
Easy
it.
points, easy podiums, guys.
Yeah,
If you do it
totally.
perfect.
Drive to survive, man.
Okay, Neon, don't let that counter come down because
Wait,
it will be...
Soham, what man?
I didn't see, man.
Okay, you saw. Okay, no commenting.
Okay, we are now silent. It's your race,
Yeah.
guys.
Let's get
Yeah.
ready to go racing again.
Just
Safety
don't
car
hit,
is in
please.
this lap.
Please,
When the
just
fueling
look ahead.
Can't
starts,
see
remember,
anything.
there is no
What?
overtaking until the green flags. Safety car in this
I
lap.
don't know what he's trying to do.
No, he's trying to unlap.
That's fine. He'll
Fronts
give
are
way.
that's why. This is the reason why I hit Neon.
That's okay.
Pitting or not pitting? What to do?
No, drive. No point in hitting.
Just drive. How much damage do you have?
Orange.
Orange. Oh, orange is not an issue.
It's normal for Soham, I think. Yeah.
Okay, clear. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, don't
Go
hit anyone.
through
Neon, we don't want damage. Okay, see, Alphabot is going left and right. You can go through him. He's ghosted.
Because my tires are not up to temps.
Hey, that is the case for everyone, man. Don't worry about E-Rock and Manish Kanjan. They will have a drive. They will have to serve the drive-through.
Let's see who are behind them.
Who Bioride is behind?
Having trouble with this wing.
Let's see if we can get Soham a pit window.
Oh, but no,
He's
he's
lagging.
lagging. Don't worry. But you need to be careful. You will get damage.
You can.
Okay, let him pass.
Yep.
Oh,
Okay.
what?
Soham. Yeah, that's what. Okay,
I'll
Soham,
let Neon-
do one thing. Yeah, okay. Let Neon pass. He's not having front wing damage.
Select a wet tire and pit, I think.
No, no, don't pit, don't pit.
Don't pit.
Only 5 laps.
Okay, then
People are like spawning up from nowhere.
Leon, how you got 5 seconds?
Stop.
Ah,
that will be removed.
Yeah.
Okay, that guy pitted, I think.
Okay.
Berlin.
Left.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Neon, push. Neon, just stay in the track. That's all. You can easily pass Abhay because he's on Inders. He'll not be able to.
You know
continue.
what? Even if you don't pass, just match his time. Don't lose time to him.
Yeah. No, he will gain actually.
Huh? That's what I'm saying. No, don't push the car too much. Just match or like don't over push the car.
Okay, so Bioride is in for a podium. No,
On
KG
track.
is in for a podium.
On track, dude. We are gonna get these penalties removed for some.
But if he has served all of those under safety car, then that won't be removed.
No, that can be removed.
No, it won't be. I'm telling you.
No, it can be.
No,
Arey,
no.
it won't be. There is a rule. You cannot remove the penalty served under safety car.
Dude, that penalty he served didn't reduce here, so that can be removed.
What are you talking about? It's even if it's not his fault.
It
Then
will be
also-
removed, man.
Okay, let's see.
See, he was supposed to, like, he served the penalties, but the penalties didn't get reduced in the leaderboard chart. So, only in the straights.
Okay, you're catching the car ahead, but remember we need to get to the end of the race.
Okay,
on
see,
these
this is the
tyres.
problem. Don't. You need to break early.
Overdo. So for
Soham,
Soham,
so to be safe to KG, you have to get a gap of more than 5 seconds to him.
Okay.
yeah.
Catching up.
So for some, only the remaining penalties can be removed, not the ones he has served.
Yeah, so 15 seconds he has served. So that means he will have maybe only 1 second of penalty.
Too long to turn the engine down.
No, that is for sure not the case because I did get 2 3-second penalties.
No, so that's what I'm saying. Now, he said it in a different way. What that basically means is, let's say if we get the 15-second time removed, okay, but then still penalties alive. So if you subtract them, it's only 1-2 seconds.
How these two are where these two are.
You know, just currently easy.
Soham, आराम से भाई.
Let's keep pushing. The gap between you and the next car is 6 seconds.
नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ चला. KG got me in the meantime. Yep, I'll just let it through. This spray is just I don't know what this is.
You need to set your
Graphic
Graphics
quality,
There you go.
neons.
backfiring.
Neon is like playing in the... Okay, Neon, maybe you can do one thing. You can take the outside line.
Hey, dog, let
Okay.
him try.
No. Let him go. These two people will fight. And somebody will get damaged and somebody will pit.
Wait,
No, come on, carry on, man. I am blocking people behind. Going on your
Neon-
inside. Don't go on my
kill each
outside.
other.
We've only
Block
got
by
two
right
laps
for
of
me,
fuel
please.
left.
Or
Yeah.
is he already?
2 laps to go.
Oh,
Rain getting lighter.
Okay, don't worry about Bioride. Neon, don't worry about Bioride.
The good thing is I got clean vision now.
The rain looks like it's
Okay, don't worry about any of these people. Neon, don't worry about any of those people.
grip, but don't
I mean, like, shout out to this guy in front. He's carrying those inters in these conditions. I don't know how he's doing it.
It's an interest.
Don't worry about that guy, man.
Abhay Chandra. Okay.
Yep.
Let us finish our race. Okay, now it is a train behind you, Mr. Soham.
Man, didn't do what I wanted to do. Should not have passed Neon basically.
Basically, the thing is Neon with removal of 5 seconds. Shouldn't have let KG by. That's what I'm thinking.
There, Neon. There.
Ah man, going to
5.7
overshoot.
seconds.
Oi.
Neon.
Same.
Okay, somebody hit him by behind.
Bye.
No, that was Cubrabi.
Oh, he's also joined the group.
How did Cubrabi come back to P8?
Can you push Swam with your full ERS?
This is your final lap of the race.
Neon, you need to pass Cubrabi. Why Cubrabi is having less penalties? Shit. No worries, man. Good drive.
I killed someone, I think. Yep. No.
Don't worry about killing someone now. You just finish the race.
I was worried about that yellow flag, bro.
Don't worry about the yellow flag.
Swam, why not using full ERS on straight?
Less
You want to take it to your
It's empty.
Star right
child's
now.
birthday?
Side.
Poos.
Nope. He got a better exit. I just had wheel spin.
Neon,
And-
पूरा कर दे use एकदम. Yes.
What's the point?
The point is penalties.
Yeah.
Because in the end it will go down to penalties after reports.
Let's see where Neon finishes. At least 4th, I think.
Ah, shit!
No, he will get 5 seconds removed, right?
Out
Neon.
of
Yeah.
So with 5 seconds removed, still it is 4th.
4th, yeah.
And Soham with 15 seconds of... Wait. 15 seconds removal plus how many did you have apart from that?
No, I think it is okay. It seems.
No,
Yeah.
I think it only around 10 seconds can be removed.
No, let's say 15 seconds. Okay, first let me remove 15 seconds. Okay, just tell me. Then how many you got because of corner cutting? 2? 3?
Maybe
How
9
many?
seconds. 9
9
seconds.
seconds, na?
And it is possible. But I am not sure because that it did not add up to anything.
Just take
I
the
was getting
snapshot of
warnings.
the
If
race
I got
director.
penalties, it probably might have added up. I'm not sure.
Hey,
So we can check from the race directory. I'll do that.
Soham, record the race director as well.
Yep.
I'll just like after we are in the standings.
Neon, good race. Good.
Yep, both of you good
GG,
drive.
man. Good.
Good-
Yeah,
good
Koda
over.
win podium.
Overcoming your disconnection, right?
I mean, you guys got fucked up at the start, but still great points.
But Neon drove very nicely today. He was clean.
Yep.
Unlike
Yes.
someone. Sohan didn't even spare his teammate.
I will-
the compliment. Good.
The high graphics are so bad in Rain the Spray, man. Can literally feel how difficult it is to drive.
Yeah.
I hit Neon twice because of the spray. That's how bad it is. You don't hit anyone else, let alone your teammate, even in the spray. Okay, anyways, I'll go to the race directory.
Yes, you should.
Hold on, man.
Okay, boys. I'll go for a nap. See you later. Bye.
See you later.
6:45, man.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Your race, Eagle Dog, the monk. With
No.
monk left?
Did you see? Okay, see.
See,
Kapil,
later
Kapil
we
is
only got okay 2 penalties at the end. Why?
Kapil is team director. The self-proclaimed team director is firing you. See,
Firing who me?
both. See, fucking rule one. What is fucking rule one?
14 warning, penalty plus warning. Tell him to write what was agreed as a what do you call that? I don't know.
Fucking rule #1. Don't
Rule
hit your
hashtag one
teammate.
tier 3 is wet race, right?
Huh?
Rule #1 is tier 3 is wet race.
No, it's
Don't hit the
don't hit
team.
your teammate. Yes.
No, no, that I understand. Hey, I only hit him under the spray, man. Blinded by the spray. I did not hit him other time.
It's so ironical that you